Hi guys, today we're going to look at how large firms or firms with market dominance need not always be undesirable. Okay, if you remember in previous videos, we have established that firms with market dominance as compared to firms in a perfectly competitive market, firms in a perfectly competitive market will charge a lower price and produce at a higher output as compared with firms with market dominance, as you can see from this diagram. Okay, but actually this diagram was drawn with the assumption that firms with market dominance don't enjoy any cost savings at all. But actually that may not be true because firms with market dominance usually are large firms, which means that they engage in large scale production, they are producing a lot of output. And if you remember, there are cost savings associated with large scale production. These cost savings are known as internal economies of scale. So, if we take into account the fact that dominant firms may enjoy cost savings and may pass on these cost savings to consumers, then the large firms' marginal cost curve may not be so high. Indeed, the large firm's marginal cost curve could be at this level, at MCM. And with the new MC curve, you can tell that there is a new profit maximization point for these dominant firms, and that is given by where MCM cuts MR. The profit maximizing quantity is given by QM, and the price that is being charged, as usual, is read off the demand curve and is given by PM. Something that you notice immediately is that for these dominant firms who enjoy cost savings as a result of large-scale production, if they pass on cost savings to consumers, the resultant price is actually lower and the output is higher as compared to a PC market. But of course, the assumption is that these large and dominant firms pass on the cost savings to consumers, which is another question in itself, because if these firms are large and dominant, they could also be complacent and there's absolutely no incentive for them to pass on these cost savings. So when do you use this diagram and its associated analysis? Is when the question asks you to evaluate whether firms in a particular market structure is desirable to society. Unlike my previous videos, you can tell that for this video and the diagram that we explored in this video, we are able to prove that large firms need not always be bad.